I have the new Motorola Razr phone. It's inside the box, and we're gonna take a look at what comes with it. Oh. Let's get something clear up front though. This is technically not an unboxing, because you can see this box is already open. But this is pretty much everything that's gonna come in the box when you buy it and bring it home and open it up for yourself. So this is more of a, what's inside the box? The first thing I noticed about this is it looks kind of like a gourmet coffee grinder, and that's not a bad thing, but something tells me what's in here is better than coffee. So as opposed to our normally flat box like this, we have this kind of jaunty angled top here, and it gives me a little peekaboo. Look at that, you guys see that? At the phone through the tinted glass. On the front it says Razr, and on the back it has Motorola. All right, let's take it out of the box. Bum, bum, bum. Here it is, look at this. Okay, how many other phones have you ever seen come in a box like this? I unbox dozens and dozens of phones every year, and I've never seen something like this. It's kind of cool. The phone's just up there, it's greeting me. We're having a relationship already, even though I just opened the box, and it has more of a premium vibe right off the start, which is kind of fun. So in the box, you take a little side view here. You can see the phone, how thin it is already, but we can also see there's this little case back here, which I'm guessing probably has all the accessories. And here's the back of that. And even the case has a cool Razr logo on it. So let's take a look. We're gonna save the phone for just a moment, but let's take a look at what comes in this really cool case back here. It's this really nice, kind of like a stiff back canvas or like upholstery almost, so you might find on a nice chair. And there's like a little metal tab that says Razr on it. Pretty fancy, if you ask me. Let's take a look at what comes inside this case here. I'm gonna open the tab. All right, so first thing we see is we have some documentation, looks like maybe some guides and stuff like that. Power brick, and it is a USB-A power brick. The Motorola logo's on it. Next thing I got is, it comes with headphones. So let's just get this out of the way. It does not look like this has a headphone jack because there is a USB-C cable on the bottom of these headphones. Now the interesting thing about these headphones is they're noise canceling, and they have a nice cloth wrapper around the cables. Nice and soft. There we go. Next thing I have is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Clearly this is meant to plug the phone into your power brick. Again, also the cable, I should note, is cloth wrapped, so that's really nice. Way to go, Motorola. But if you have old headphones you like, we have a headphone jack to USB-C cable, so you can use your own headphones if you want. And again, like the power cable and like the headphone cable, it's wrapped in cloth, which is so nice. Hopefully no fraying, right? And that's it for the box here. But what's interesting about this box, I'm gonna take the little packaging out. This turns into a case for the phone. How cool is that? When's the last time you got a case like this for a phone? If not, maybe you can use them for sunglasses or eyeglasses if you're that kind of person. All right, but let's get to the main event here, the phone. So first of all, even in the box, look how thin this thing is. All right, now let's take it out of the box here. There we go. We're talking more about this box. There's something cool it does in just a moment here. So here we have the phone. Again, it doesn't come closed. It comes ready for you just to hold it up to your face, hold it up to your ear, and start it up. All right, but let's just do this. Let's just get this out of the way. Let's fold it. Ready, set. Did you guys hear that? I'm gonna actually hold it to my mic so you can hear. Ready? I mean, how satisfying is that sound? Just one more time. I could do this all day. We have a whole video of me opening and closing this phone. I'm sure we want to get some close-ups of you guys seeing what the phone looks like. Here's me closing it regular. Here's it goes again this way. So one thing you're gonna notice instantly on this phone is there's two displays. Yeah, it's not just one on the inside that folds. There's one on the outside called a quick view display. You can get to things like settings, you can reply to messages, you can play music, you can use it for selfies, and a lot of other cool features we're gonna take a look at in another video. On the bottom here is a USB-C port. So that's where we're gonna plug in our power, so we're gonna plug in our headphones, those noise canceling ones that come with it. And if you look on the front here, You can find a good angle. You can see there's a camera bump here. It's not even a camera bump. It's kind of like, I heard someone describe it as like a belly button for the phone. It's kind of cool. And this is all one piece here. All one piece of Gorilla Glass in the front. And then next to that is a flash. And then next to that is the Fingerprint Sensor. So this doesn't have anything like Face ID or anything like that. You're gonna unlock it just right from the front there. So here's the front of it, all lit up. I'm gonna flip the back here. Now the back does not have Gorilla Glass on it. It's actually a composite material. Not sure what this material is actually, but yeah, it doesn't have glass on it, but it is like a composite material. And what's nice, listen to this. Do you feel that, hear that? I mean, seriously, if you are a fidgety person, this phone is gonna reward you in so many ways. What's cool is, again, you have the little dimple dot of the Motorola logo. And what I like about that is it kind of goes as an innie belly button to the camera's outie belly button. So if you're into belly buttons, again, you're gonna be in this phone, so. Let's take a look though at this hinge. I'm gonna hold it like this now. So here's the hinge with it's closed. All right, and I'm gonna go on the side here. So take a look at just how thin this is. All right, I'm gonna open up so you can see the hinge from the side. Yeah, cool. And I'll do it from this side, close it. And in case you're wondering, on the right side, we have our volume rocker and our power button. So whether it's open or closed, I can change the volume, awake it, or put it to sleep. Now, no one opens the phone this way, but that's still pretty cool. And if you want, I mean, this is the way when I had my Razr, I just opened it with my thumb. Still works. And what's nice is it's just a regular Android interface with the Motorola skins on here. You even have the Moto Actions, which is really nice. Even just during this unboxing so far, I am getting, it's Gorilla Glass, so I do have a few fingerprint residues. So if you're into CSI, this looks like a CSI crime scene right now. And I'm guilty. All right, but let's clear the deck here because there's something really cool that this box does with the phone. So I'm gonna push all of our stuff out of sight here. Get out of the way. So when I open this up, I'm gonna play a song here. Let's see here.
All right, and when I put it in here,
it amplifies the music, which you probably can't hear because it's probably copyright music. So I'm gonna talk over it so you can't hear it. So that's it for our first peek inside the box of the Motorola Razr. Not an official unboxing, but you know what is official? We have a first look video that goes more in depth on the phone, what's it like to use, and our first impressions, so check that out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cue some more music and kind of just stand here awkwardly dancing. Ooh, this has got a crazy beat. Kind of like a weird dance I'm doing. And it looks like I have some back problems. Oh. That's the auto smile feature, which we go to in the other video, but still, it works so well.